Hello, Polar Bear fans! Today, Evo's Conservative gonna try to pick this lock. Good luck, because Evo's Conservative has been on a slump lately. Really bad. Now, we're outside. Now, I want to show you something really cool. Okay, you see that tall tower between those two utility poles? Those are the Holy Cross Church, which is now part of Holy Cross School. It's a Catholic school. Really cool. Really great education. So, this lock is a generic lock. And it advertises it has microband on it to prevent cooties. Now, ironically, this lock, is a little hard to see, has grease in the mechanism, which attacks dirt. It could eventually cause disease. Really funny of them to do that. Oh, thank you, Polar Bear. I forgot something. Brave Cancer Kid, you rock. Okay, now we have the lock closed, and hopefully we can see it here. And yes, as Polar Bear said, I've been on a big slump. Went through a lot of what's called sad seasonal affective depression over the winter, but now that things are starting to get nice, I'm feeling much better. And plus, life's been a little crazy over the last few months, so I'm really glad to be getting back into the swing of things. And congratulations to Joe and John Locks on hitting 500 subscribers. That's a huge accomplishment. I'm just under 400, and I never thought I'd hit a couple hundred, except for one brief point I thought I was going to hit 1,000 fairly quickly. And we got it. But that's when I was getting a lot of views on my Sylvia Likens history, and but most of those people didn't end up subscribing because of other content and such. But yippee! Now it's time for the sucker! Yum 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 yum